Okay, so we're at the Railroad Museum. And this is still in Carson City, right, Judy?
Yeah.
Carson City, Nevada Railroad Museum. And they actually have rides on this old railroad. This old rail cars. They have rides on these old rail cars. There is the railroad, the old rail cars. They have rides on this. And this is where you purchase the tickets. This is where you purchase the tickets. There is some, I guess they have some food for sale right there. Do you want to buy any food? Okay, let's go check out the museum. This is like a very old-timey railroad station. It looks like it might be the original one. This might be the original railroad station. Is this the original railroad station?
Yes, it is. 1906.
1906,
but
wow.
It wasn't right here. It was about 40 miles from here. They moved it here. It was going to be torn down when the railroad went out of business.
Wow.
Well, they closed the branch line, and this was in Robuska,
Wow.
down on Highway 95, and they were going to tear it down, and the museum says, we'll take it. So they cut the building in half and put it on trucks and brought it here.
That's amazing.
Took about 3 or 4 days to get here.
So this is the actual building.
Yeah. The wood in here is so old you can't hardly drive a tack or a nail into it.
Oh, because it's all dry and brittle.
And you see the glass is kind of wavy. That's the way they did glass back in the day.
This is the original glass. That's amazing. So where is the museum?
The great big building above.
Okay. All right, thanks. It's pretty amazing. I always love going in these old buildings. This is the original building. They moved it. It was 40 miles. Here comes the old rail engine. You can smell the smoke. You can smell the smoke from the engine. It's burning this wood. They have rides on this. There's a guy dressed like they used to dress up. This is how it's all authentic. Wow, it's pretty amazing. So this is some kind of fundraiser, and hi. Are you going to ride on the train? So this is some kind of, they have a fundraiser, selling food, I guess. And I think, oh, that is the museum up there, that big building. I think I just like this, this is more interesting to me. I don't think I'm going to go into the that building. There's a guy. He's taking water. That's a water. He's filling up the water. It's a steam engine. It runs on steam. They pour water in there, and it heats. They burn the wood, heats it up, and it runs on the steam powered.
the fun thing is if you do
It's
that,
very interesting.
entire like raft. I mean, we dumped.
Here is an old fire truck. Okay, so that's it. That's all I'm gonna see here, I think. Maybe we'll go in this artisan gift shop. See what they have in there. Okay, we're gonna look in this artisan. Oh, okay, we're gonna look in this artisan gift shop and see what kind of stuff they have. Some artsy, expensive stuff. Oh, it's closed. It's locked?
No, it says 8:30. No, it's open. There must be.
It seems like it's closed, Judy.
No, what? Are you open to train gift shop?
No, artisan gift shop.
Oh.
Is it closed?
It says open right here.
Well, I guess they're not really open.
Yes, but please use other entrance. What other entrance is there?
There's nobody in there.
Well, then it should never open sign.
All right. Well, we were going to go into the artisan gift shop, but they didn't. There was nobody in there. The doors were locked. All right. So we'll go see that museum some other time, Judy. Okay, now we're going to go to Lake Tahoe and see.
Oh, there's coming around.
Oh, there. Oh, yeah.
Just makes a circle.
Yeah, there's people. I think they're. Yeah, is there people on there?
I'm sure there is.
I mean, no, this isn't the tour one.
Oh,
This is just another one. Wow. All this very historic area. It's good that they preserve this for people to take their kids to and show them what it used to be like to live here. Okay, we're going to go to Lake Tahoe now.